Hi, today we're going to be working on this 32-inch TV. Customer complaint, no power. There's no indicator on the red LED, nothing. So let's get the cover off. Let's check out the power supply board and see if we can find out what's going on. Okay, disconnect the speakers, power cable. Okay, not much in this TV. Power supply board, and that's your logic board, okay? Be aware that the power supply boards, even on when the TV is unplugged, the big capacitors, the larger capacitors, they can still give quite a nasty shock. This one's rated 400 volts. So before you attempt any type of repairs like this, make sure you do some research on discharging capacitors. Stay safe. Okay, so all the capacitors and everything look okay. We have some diodes here. These are Schottky diodes, three, yeah, in parallel, and looks like someone has attempted a repair here before. Yeah, some soldering on the back. Let's just switch on our multimeter in diode mode, and we have a direct short across those diodes. So yeah, that's definitely the problem. We'll take that out. Let's just do a quick check on our fuse. Hopefully the fuse isn't open. Okay, so we do have continuity on the fuse. Fuse is good. I have come across this quite often. Replacing those Schottky diodes normally solves this issue. Okay, so let's get out the soldering iron and change out those diodes. Oh, a bit of flux. Okay, let's check again for shorts. Okay, that diode is working. Okay, so those Schottky diodes were SP560s, rated at 5 amps, 60 volts, and just replace those. Let's just clean up our flux. Okay, let's put that back in, and let's see if the TV comes on. Okay, let's give it a quick test. Yes, we have a red LED in the... Okay, obviously the TV is upside down now. Okay, so TV's come on. It's all looking good. What we'll do is we'll run it for a few hours and make sure that it's all stable and give it back to the customer. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix.